Let's start from scratch by creating a new Illustrator 2021 file. Let's create a circle using the Ellipse tool. Under the text menu, select the Type on a Path tool. When you see Path in pink, click the circle and start typing your text. In order to align the text around the circle, select the Selection tool. Then drag the blue lines with the arrows on them downwards. The second line will allow you to adjust the text's alignment. Now we will add another text to the bottom of the circle object. While the circle is selected, go to Edit, Copy. Then Edit, Paste in place. Select the circle, then drag the blue lines downwards. This will let you align the duplicated text. Just edit the text. All done. Please subscribe.